This video is entitled Correlation versus Causation. In an earlier video, we looked at the relationship between birth rate and female life expectancy. And what we found is that there is a strong negative correlation between these two variables. So as birth rate goes up, female life expectancy goes down. But is it the children that are causing the women to live shorter lives? Not necessarily. Because correlation does not imply causation. So just because the two variables are tightly related doesn't mean that an increase in one is causing the decrease in the other. There's a third outside influence here that's probably causing the relationship. If women don't have access to good health care, then they won't have access to birth control, which means the birth rate is going to be higher. At the same time, if you have less access to health care, then your life expectancy will be less than in a place where health care is easily accessible. So it's not the children that are causing the women to die younger. Correlation and causation are often mixed up in the world of data. Just because two variables are strongly correlated or related doesn't mean that an increase in one is causing an increase or decrease in the other. The two variables might be tied together by some outside influence. For example, ice cream sales are highly correlated with homicide rates in New York City. But does buying ice cream cause people to murder other people? Well, no. The outside influence here would probably be the temperature outside. If it's hot out, you're going to buy ice cream. If it's hot out, you're more likely to be outside. If you're more likely to be outside around other people, you're increasing your risk of being a victim of crime. There's another sort of funny correlation that has to do with ice cream. Look at these graphs. The blue graph represents ice cream sales from January to December, and the red graph represents shark attacks from January to December. They are so very tightly correlated. The graphs are almost identical. But again, if you'll notice where the peak is in July, summer months. So in the summer, people buy ice cream. In the summer, people go swimming. Now, sharks can't attack you unless you're obviously in the water with the sharks. So ice cream isn't actually dangerous. There's that third outside influence. This little chart is really good for helping you see these relationships and remember these relationships. Ice cream sales is correlated with shark attacks. So an increase in ice cream sales is associated with an increase in shark attacks. But it's not the ice cream causing the shark attacks or the shark attacks causing the desire for ice cream. Rather, it's the temperature outside. So it's the heat that's causing people to buy more ice cream, and it's the heat that causes people to go swimming and thus become potential victims of shark attacks. So if you ever hear someone say correlation does not imply causation, what they're trying to tell you is that the variables may be related, but it doesn't mean there's a cause and effect relationship. Thank you for watching.